beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, your Igbo teacher, igboticnono. Please, if you're clicking on this video for the first time, if you're coming to this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notifications to be notified anytime I post a video. On this channel, we teach how to learn Igbo language. In other words, other things can come in between just to bring up vibes on the channel, so that not every time you see my video you're like, this Igbo teacher's come again to teach and I'm not in the mood to learn. So sometimes I bring on other things, in between, that just to spice up the channel a little bit. But in today's lesson, in today's video, we're going to be learning something in Igbo language, that is places in Igbo language, places you already see but you don't know what they are called in Igbo language. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning that, and without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, in today's guys, I have already written down things I'm going to be showing you guys today, just to make this lesson more easy and of course more easy. And today this is olo ako. This is olo ako. Olo ako is called bank. Olo ako. Olo ako. Bank, that place you put your money, that place you put your money, invest your money, right? And they save the money for you, is called olo ako. Watch my lips. Olo ako. Olo ako. Olo ako. That is bank. Olo ako. That is bank. Yeah. You may ask yourself, why am I learning olo ako? Why am I knowing what is bank is called in Igbo language? Yes, every Igbo is important to learn, because you don't know the gathering you're going to be in, you don't know the place you're going to be in, and they will use this word, maybe somebody is trying to dupe you and the person is Igbo. They're not going to speak English for you to understand, right? They're going to speak native, so you wouldn't understand. So this, even the minimalist of what you think I'm teaching on this channel, it's important, because you don't know at which point it will be used to communicate. So whichever communication somebody brings out, you understand, even if the person wants to dupe you. Okay, what card, get the person's card, let's go to Olaku. When they say let's go to Olaku, you're like, okay, let's go to bank. This will want to dupe me. So make sure you learn anything I teach on this channel. Yeah, it's very important. So Olaku is what? Bank. And we have here Olo Nga, a prison. Olo Nga, a prison. Olo Nga, a prison. Watch my lips. Olo Nga, a prison. Olo Nga, a prison. Ulo Ogu. Ulo Ogu, a hospital. Ulo Ogu, a hospital. Ulo Ogu, a hospital. Ulo ikpe, a court. 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 Oba akwụkwọ, a library. 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 Ụlọ akwụkwọ, a school. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, a school. You may be checking the similarities in what I just said. Oba akwụkwọ, a library, and ụlọ akwụkwọ, a school. Oba akwụkwọ, a library. You already know what a library is. It's a place you keep books, abi. You rent books. You also stay there to read as well, because of the quietness. Yes. Oba akwụkwọ, a library, because when you get into a library, there's so much books everywhere. So of course, it's Oba akwụkwọ, a library. Then ụlọ akwụkwọ is a school. Akwụkwọ is book. Do you see why both of them is like they have akwụkwọ, akwụkwọ? Akwụkwọ is book. Oba akwụkwọ, a place that is filled up with books. Library. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, house that they teach book. School. Ụlọ ụka, a church. Ụlọ ụka, a church. Ụlọ ụka, a church. Ụlọ ụka, church. Ụlọ ọrụ, an office. Ụlọ ọrụ, an office. Some people can say ụlọ ọrụ or ụlọ ọrụ. It's basically the same thing, it's just dialect differentiation, R and L. Ụlọ ọrụ, an office. Ụlọ ọrụ, an office. Ụlọ mgbasa ozi. Ụlọ mgbasa ozi, a media house. Ụlọ mgbasa ozi, a media house. Ụlọ mgbasa ozi, a media house. Yes, we already know what a media house means. It basically means something like channels where they of course give us information or things that are happening in our area or things that are happening in our country, like CNN, Al Jazeera, NTA, BBC World, BBC Prime. All those news places are called mgbasa ozi, ụlọ mgbasa ozi, a media house. House is ụlọ, so ụlọ mgbasa ozi. So guys, I've come to the end of this video today. Today is not very much a long video. Hope these 10 things I mentioned now, you can repeat it. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, ụlọ nga, ụlọ ikpe, ụlọ mgbasa ozi. Yes, remember I said save my videos up in your watch letter so that you can visit it consistently and learn. And also, why I said you should save it on the watch letter is in between your, there are some times on your quietness, you begin to memorize some things. So once you memorize and you've missed out on something, you can quickly go to your watch letter and read it up instead of you going to type my name on YouTube. That's a long story. That's why I said save it up in your watch letter. If you have not subscribed to this channel and if you have watched up to this point, please subscribe. The subscription goes a long way for me. Yes, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.